Namaste, खुश रहो बिटिया. Today's topic is cardiac rehabilitation. Heart failure. Cardiac rehab program have been shown to very effective with physiotherapists playing a key role in this program. They have been shown to reduce the length of hospital stay as well as the number of cardiovascular related admission, cardiac mortality, and improve quality of life. Cardiac rehab classes include exercise, education, and support. Physical activity perform an intensity of less than 40% of the maximal aerobic capacity has shown the greatest benefit in reduce the development of progressive of CVD. For every one metabolic equivalent increase in aerobic fitness, there is a reduce of 8 to 17% premature death. Aerobic exercise increase people's cardiac output, maximum heart rate, endurance, arterial blood flow. It may also enhance their blood lipid profile for people who already have cardiovascular disease. Prescribed aerobic exercise program by physiotherapists can reduce their risk long term. Aerobic condition activities such as running, rowing, and walking, along with resistance strength training exercise, have been shown to inversely associate with the risks of coronary heart disease. Symptom of CVD. Often the first warning of underlying cardiovascular disease is heart attack or stroke. Symptom of heart attack may include pain or discomfort in the center of the chest, pain or discomfort in the arm, left shoulder, elbow, jaw or back, shortness of breath, nausea or vomiting, light headache, pallor, cold sweat. Modifying risk factor of CVD including unhealthy diet, physical inactivity, smoking, increased consumption of alcohol. Individual with such as behavior may present with increased blood pressure, lipid and glucose level as well as being overweight or obese. Non-modified risk factor including family history, age, gender, ethnicity, socioeconomic status. कार्डियोवास्कुलर डिजीज़ कौन कौन सी होती हैं? कॉर्नरी हार्ट डिजीज़, कार्डियोवास्कुलर डिजीज़, पेरिफेरल आर्टेरियल डिजीज़, रिमोटिक हार्ट डिजीज़, कंजेनिटल हार्ट डिजीज़, डीप वेन थ्रोम्बोसिस और पल्मोनरी एम्बोलिज्म. Epidemiology: CVS is the number one cause of the death globally with estimate 17.7 million deaths in 2050 according to the World Health Organization. Global burden of cardiovascular disease with risk factor. These worldwide distribution of cardiovascular disease risk. Over the past decade, CVD has become the single largest cause of death worldwide, representing nearly 30% of all death and about 50% of the non-communicable disease death. The burden of CVD further extended and is considered the most costly disease even ahead of Alzheimer's disease and diabetic with calculate indirect cost of $237 billion per year and a project increases $368 billion by 2035. Thank you.